For those living at Lisbon Terrace Apartments, Tuesday night can only be described as torture.
Nobody expected it to go this long.
12 hours of a blaring fire alarm and strobing lights.
I just had to put some ear plugs in my ear to keep my seizures from triggering off.
We got elderly and disabled people here. We've got babies and children.
Milwaukee Fire unable to silence the alarm, saying only building management can reset alarm systems due to liability. Residents say calls to management and maintenance went ignored until we showed up.
But I called the fire department back. Oh,
There it is.
it's off.
Oh my gosh. Appleton Rental Homes LLC manages Lisbon Terrace. We went to their offices demanding answers. Hi, I need to speak to a manager about what happened at the Lisbon Terrace Apartments overnight.
Well, right now she just left.
Can you get me in touch with her? Does she have a cell phone or?
She didn't. I don't think she brought it with her.
Is there any way that we can get a hold of them? We're just looking for some answers because these people had their fire alarm going off for 12 hours overnight.
Yeah. Unfortunately, no. She did leave her phone. It's sitting on her desk.
In Milwaukee, Mallory Anderson, WISN 12 News.
12 News also called and emailed Appleton Rental Homes, but we have not heard back.